Hello my dear children, I hope you all are fine and staying healthy at your home. I hope you are finishing your homework too on time. Welcome to your English class. Students, before moving towards our today's topic, let me ask you a few questions. Now tell me, what are the various things that makes you happy or that makes you laugh? And what are the ways how you express your happiness? I know many of you will answer something and many of you will answer something else. That answer may vary from student to student. And now you would wonder why ma'am is asking today us these questions. Because in today's class, what we are going to study or what we are going to read is directly related to the happiness and to the laughing. As today we are going to read a poem and the name of the poem is Laughing Song. As the name is suggesting, this poem is all about happiness. It is all about happiness and it is written by the poet William Blake. As the poet is a nature lover, he tries to find the happiness from nature. He watches all the things that are spread all over the nature and find what is the thing that can make him happy. So now we are going to go to the explanation part of the poem. So student, this is the image of the poet who has written the poem and the name is William Blake. Now let us come towards the first paragraph, first stanza of the poem. When the green woods laugh with the voice of joy and the dimpling stream runs laughing by, when the air does laugh with our merry wit and the green hill laughs with the noise of it. Here in this first stanza, the poet has started the poem with the beautiful explanation or the beautiful description of the nature. Here in the first line, when the green woods laugh with the voice of joy. What are green woods? That are green forest. The poet is saying that they are laughing because of joy. And what is the joy? The joy that the soothing air or the calm air that is passing through them makes the green wood laugh. And the dimpling stream runs laughing by. Now you would wonder, what are dimples? You have seen some people are having dimple on their cheeks. When they laugh, the dimple appear on the cheek of that people. You must have seen various people having dimples. So the poet has taken this dimple, the poet has used it in a poetic expression. He says, when the air passes through the stream or when the air passes over the stream laughs very widely, and because of that laughing, the dimple appears or it seems to be appear on the stream. When the air does laugh with the merry wit, you must have seen various times when the air makes very noisy sound or very strange sound. When the air is happy, it also makes the sound because of the happiness. And the green hills laugh with the noise of it. And the green hills, that means near that forest and this stream, there is a hill that is of green color, and when the air strikes with it, it appears to make a noise, and this noise is out of happiness because the air is passing, because the soothing and the calming air is passing through the hill and it appears to be laughing. Basically, in this paragraph, the green woods, the forest, the stream and the air and the hills appears to be laughing. Here the poet is finding the happiness, the poet is finding the joy out of these things that are present in the nature. When the meadows laugh with the lively green and the grasshopper laughs in the merry scene. When Mary, Suzanne and Emily with their sweet round mouths sing ha ha hey. Now the poet expresses here, when the meadow laughs with the lively green. What are meadows? Meadows are the very large areas that are covered with the grass. Now why these meadows are happy? Because usually in summertime almost every part of the meadow and the grass is all dried up, and it is the month in which the rain falls over them and the grass is green, and by watching its green grass, meadows appears to be laughing, and grasshopper laughs in the merry scene. Merry means happy. So by watching the meadow laughing, the grasshopper which lives in the meadow, it also laughs with them. It also joins that merry scene. When Mary, Suzanne and Emily with their sweet round mouths sing ha ha hey. Here Mary, Suzanne and Emily are three friends, or they are the depiction of any common girls that are playing in the meadow. So with their sweet round mouths, to show their happiness, they sing a chorus ha ha hey. And here the poet has expressed the beauty of Mary, Suzanne and Emily with the help of sweet round mouth. They are having very sweet round mouth. So basically the meadow, grasshopper and the people in the meadow. So Mary, Suzanne and Emily are depiction of any common people that are playing in the meadow. So everyone in the meadow is happy. When the painted birds laugh in the shade, where our table with cherries and nuts spread, come live and be merry and join with me to sing the sweet chorus of ha ha hey. Here, see the first line. When the painted birds laugh in the shade. Here the poet is talking about some painted birds. What are painted birds? The birds which are bright in color. Here the painted birds meaning the birds which are bright in color, or there is another meaning of it, that it shows very strong belief of poet over the god. The poet believes that the god himself has created these birds with the very bright color just to add beauty to the nature, and these painted birds are laughing in the shade. They are laughing in the shade. In which shade they are laughing? Either they are laughing in their shade of the nest, or they are laughing under the shade of the green trees that are there in the meadow. Where our table with cherries and nuts spread. Here near the nest or the shade there is a table over there on which the cherries and nuts are spread. The cherries and nuts are spread. That shows that the poet has come over there for a picnic, or just to appreciate the nature or to enjoy some leisure time in the nature. Come live and be merry and join with me. And here the poet is calling all of us to come with him to live. How to live? Live the life with happiness in the nature. Appreciate the nature and be merry and to be happy. Why to be happy? How to be happy? By appreciating the nature, by watching everything that is spread beautifully over the nature. And join with me. And he is calling all of us to join him in the singing of the sweet chorus, that is ha ha hey. That means the poet is also singing that sweet song or the sweet chorus ha ha hey with Suzanne, Emily and the other people that are present in the meadow. You see students, how the poet William Blake has appreciated the nature so nicely in the poem. As we are reading the poem, there is an imagination that comes over our mind of beautiful trees, grass, hills and everything, and of course of three beautiful girls that are present in the meadow. So poet here urges all of us to appreciate the nature. Let us take a few seconds of our busy schedule to appreciate what God has given us and how beautifully He has spread these beautiful things over the nature.
shake.